What is up, CyberFrog friends and family? Those of you that have been through the trenches, those of you that stuck to your guns and held through the fucking bear, held through 7 months of bullshit after Bitcoin hit 74K and it seemed like we'd never go further. We finally have. Welcome to all-time highs, boys and girls. This is what bull markets are all about. We talked about this, how, Bitcoin had this big run up, and then this just seemed, we're like, is this just the biggest bull flag we have ever seen? Yes, we attempted to break all-time highs. We attempted to break them several hundred days ahead of schedule compared to extra bull markets, right? Compared to the last bull markets. We now took that 7 months to reaccumulate, to reset leverage, to get the market back to kind of neutral, and now we are just completely ripping through. Our first indicator of this was back here in the first week of September when, after 7 months, we finally established the first higher low, then followed by the first higher high. Higher low indicates higher high. Is this the higher high? I don't know yet. Bitcoin could keep on moving. This move could extend even further. It's not until, let me zoom in a little bit, it's not until we lose this uptrend or lose the EMA that I think that this move is over. It could still continue further. But remember, we had our high, we had our low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, lower low. Lower high, first higher low, followed by first higher high, right? Reverse of trend. The trend is your friend until it ends. Right here is where it ended. Right here is where the new trend started. And we are in the bull. The trend is our friend until it ends. We are in the bull. We are going long. We currently do not have any calls from Thor for Bitcoin when it comes to the 4 hour and the daily at this point. What I have here is, you see, I have identified on the 4 hour chart a couple small fair value gaps. Now, are we going to come back and revisit these soon? Or are these gaps that market makers are creating just to induce further FOMO? We'll find out soon. But we knew to have our longs in, right? We got the break. We got the retest. We got our DCAs on the zone 56, 52 multiple times. We were ready. We've been ready. We're riding. Looking at Solana. Solana, same thing. We have been in this kind of downtrend, but we knew our zone of accumulation. Basically, we said anything below 140 was a good time to be buying Solana. Anywhere below 140. So in this mid 30s, we are accumulating. We just pumped up and almost hit 230. Not quite. We hit 225. So anywhere in this 130 zone was a great zone of accumulation. Same thing, first week of September, we posted that first higher low. We did not get the higher high, right? We didn't get the higher high. Bitcoin did, Solana was close, but we did follow up with another higher low, which was indicator. We pumped right up to our resistance, looking to test it now. And again, as long as we're remaining up above the EMA here, I wouldn't call this move finished just yet. Jupiter has been playing out excellent. Sol BTC chart has been one that's been interesting, as we've been back and forth with Bitcoin, which is pretty strong, right? This says a lot that Solana has been ranging with Bitcoin, right? Sol BTC has been ranging. If we compare this to, say, some dead shit chain and compare the chart to ETH BTC, we don't see sideways ranging. We don't see an asset that is keeping up with Bitcoin. We see an asset that is steady losing value. So again, Sol BTC, this chart just shows the strength that Solana is having within this bull run. And it's why I am looking to Solana and Solana price action as more of an indicator as what is happening with altcoins this run. Talking about Solana, getting a little deeper, a little degen. Right now, we got to mention the dog of Solana, and that would be Bonk. There are rumors of Bonk being listed on Binance. Bonk is pumping right now. It probably won't be long before Bonk breaks all-time highs. We are seeing multiple different meme coins breaking all-time highs, but let's not just talk about what's already run, what I can't take advantage of. What are some coins that are still in a range? Not financial advice. Do your own research. But one of the tokens, we've got the dog of Solana running. What about one of the big cat coins of Sol? One of the big cat coins of Sol is still down here, filling its fair value gap, breaking the downtrend, and now looking to find support. It's been making higher lows. So when is one that I would be watching? If you're looking to add to a bag that you're willing to wait for its time to explode, this may be one to look at. There's always a trade to take. Look to tap. There's two parts to profitable trading. Finding yourself on the right side of probability and proper risk management. Thor helps you know when to get in, when to get out, finding yourself on the right side of probability. And every single one of these Thor calls has the risk management tool where you put in your individual risk parameters for each trade. Only willing to lose $100 on this trade? Perfect. Put in $100, calculate. You know exactly how much Bitcoin to buy, when to sell, when to set stop loss. It's that simple. If you want something even easier than that, look to Tap. Tap is the new website by CyberFrogs, powered by Thor. Automated contracts for Solana, automated contracts for Bonk, automated contracts for Jupiter. Frogs fuck, Thor prints. Let's ride into this bull run strong. Don't sell out your bags early. Focus on the red days. When the bull run is here, it's going to be green, green, green. Make sure you are taking profits on the way up, so when we have those big red days out of nowhere, you can reload. Frogs fuck, Thor prints. Let's get it.